YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. Shout out if you are new to my channel, if you recently subscribed. I would like to ask though, if you haven't subscribed yet, if you could please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the bell notification for future uploads like this, where you're gonna get the latest news on Vote Inu, the crypto market, anything that has to do with the markets in general. I do have trading content as well. Check it down below. And yeah, guys, listen, important day. Very exciting. As long as the numbers come out right that we are expecting for FOMC today, we should see reaction in all markets today. Most importantly, crypto. And so today is going to be essential for that push that we need for Volt and any other crypto that we are invested in, right? So let me not hold this up further, but just a reminder, I am having a $200 giveaway at 500 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, if you haven't been active on my channel, please do so. So you have a chance to win this giveaway. It's two people, $100 each. I am paying out in crypto. I'm paying out in Volt, probably Ethereum. So don't want to miss out on that. And I'm possibly going to do a giveaway at 300 subscribers. I might do it randomly. Let's see how quick we can get there. So if you are visiting my channel multiple times, because I do have returning viewers, they're just not subscribed. If that's you, man, please, I would ask if you would hit that subscribe button. It is free. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you do like my content and enjoy it, then why not? And smash that like button if you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, smash it, please. I'm trying to get this into the algorithm for YouTube. So throw awareness on Volt to people that don't know about Volt, the people that are curious about Volt. Just want to go ahead and get my content out there for them. I don't get paid for none of this. The giveaways are coming straight out of my pocket. I'm not paid by Volt. None of that. Don't have no sponsorships. So this is coming from the heart. This is coming from me. And I take time out of my mornings, very early in the morning, if you can tell. So yeah, guys, I would really appreciate the likes and the subscribes. But I'm not gonna hold it further, and yeah, let's get right into it.
Yeah. I got me some Volt. 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 You should get you some Volt. Fill up your bags. Back up the...
All right, guys. So we got Volt sitting at 607338. All right, let me go ahead and blow this up like I always do, man. All right, man. So I gotta stop saying man so much. I noticed that in my videos. I guess out of nervousness, I say that. So, but I'll work on that. So we got Volt hitting that line. Let me go ahead and zoom it up a bit so y'all can see that blue line right here. You see how we had this in the previous video, and I've had it marked up for some time. We finally reached it, and if you notice, so the candlesticks are, the way you read them is, depending on the size, right? that's showing volume, okay? How big the candlesticks are is the amount of volume that was in that candlestick, okay? We are in the daily time frame. So if you notice, we came down, rejected this area, we wicked up, came down, left another wick, and if you can't see it, let me blow it up a bit more. Right there, right here. This candle, if you notice, is smaller than this candle, right? And if you can get the concept of this, the lower we got to this zone right here, the less volume we're having. So we're starting to lose volume coming into these zones, meaning we could possibly now start looking for support and pushing back up. All right, if there's enough buyers in the market today and with the news, we might get that kick that we need to push up. Okay, that's the general idea. If I go to the 12-hour, we can see that we are starting to form we started to form a new candle. Okay, now if we just come down a bit more, we could possibly tap this line again before rejecting and pushing up. Now everything depends on how this news comes out today. Okay, see, I'm in the 4-hour now, right? Look how the volume of the candles have decreased. Okay, so fun fact, you know what I mean? I want to teach you guys so you guys can start learning how to read charts. I'm gonna implement that in my videos a little bit more so you guys can understand what I'm looking at. Okay, drop a like and comment down below if you are liking these technical analysis. If you're learning anything from my videos, I want to know. You know, if there's something better that I can do that maybe I'm not realizing that I'm not doing. Information, questions that you might have, how I'm getting my technical analysis, comment down below, and yeah, I'll get that fixed in the next video. You know what I mean? But as you can see, so the way these candles are made up of, all right, so 4 hours, right? 3 4-hour candles obviously equals 12 hours, right? 4 times 3, 12. So 3 4-hour candles equals 1 12-hour candle. Okay, and so that would mean that these 3 candles, these 3 red candles, made this 1 12-hour candle, this 1 big hour candle, right? So now we're starting that new candle. Okay, and so this is the beginning of the first 4-hour candle. Now if we go down to the 1 hour, there should be, so we should be new candle right now, which would be this one. But these 4 made that 4-hour candle that we just saw, if that makes sense. All right, so it breaks down little by little. Have you ever seen that egg that it's a big egg and you pull it out, you open it up, there's another egg in it, and it just keeps getting smaller and smaller and smaller? Think of it like that. Okay, so let's go back to the 4-hour, and like I said, as we got lower to this zone, we were starting to decrease in volume. All right, the candlesticks are getting smaller and smaller. So this was a bigger volume, then lesser volume, and now even lesser volume. And now this new candle will possibly come down a little bit more right before news hits. And as long as the news is good and everything goes right, we should see something like this. You know what I mean? We should see something like that. You know, that's the general idea. Maybe even come down a little bit more, take out this low before pushing on up. Okay, so that's what we're looking for today, guys. So far it's looking really good. As long as we can find support here, which I believe we are. We're ranging in this area on the 1 hour, so we're looking for support, creating that you know, I look at it like the Hurricane, you know, the Hurricane sports team. I'm from Florida, so I had to throw that out there. But you know, we're looking for something like, you know, to you it, you know what I mean, and push back up into these levels, retest some of this, and possibly continue pushing on up. So guys, today is very exciting to see what's gonna happen. Remember, dollar cost average, not financial advice, but dollar cost average while we're in these levels. If you're new to Volt, welcome. Shout out to the Volt family, the Volt army. This is a family. We are huge community, almost 58,000 of us. You came to the right place. And if you're curious to know if you should get into it, this is how I look at it. If the numbers come out great, not great, but like, let's say the numbers come out the way we want it to be, then we should start seeing that push going up in the next couple of days. And what I've noticed is by Friday afternoons, we start seeing that push. We start really seeing crypto go up. Now everything will be amazing with the numbers coming out great and being at this level, at this strong support that we've been at before, right? So creating this double bottom would be a nice thing to be in this position. You know, and like I said, if the numbers come out great, that's going to be amazing. That would be a perfect time to be into crypto and to be in Volt, because we'll get that kick that we need to push up, okay? And then that means profit. That means you will be in instant profit the second that we go up. Not financial advice. Anything can happen. Gotta know that crypto is volatile. You have to know that anything can happen. It can start to push up and then come down. We've seen that before. We've seen that here. We were starting to push last Friday, and you know, and then all of a sudden it just came all the way back down, ranged a bit, came back down, and now this is where we are. Seems like maybe we had to come back and retest this level. Okay, we didn't do it here. We didn't come all the way back down here, so it came back down to retest. If we look at the weekly, show you a little bit more what's going on. Okay, the idea is to see a nice wick rejection right here like this. That's what we want to look for today. As long as we see good numbers, we see that push, then we'll leave a wick behind and start flipping bullish, okay? And maybe get up to these levels, start working our way up to these levels over here and over here. So very exciting, guys. FOMC is at you know what, let me go ahead and bring that up real quick. I go to Forex Factory if you guys are curious to know what news is coming that impacts the markets and the economy. If you ever want to check, you can go to forexfactory.com and you hit calendar, right? And then go down to the date that we're at, right? Which is Wednesday today, okay? And right here we have at 8:15 we have ADP non-farm employment change. Then the next one will be USD at 10 o'clock, ISM manufacturing PMI. And then JOLTS job openings. The red folders are very essential, meaning it has a high impact. Okay? And so at 2 o'clock is when we have the FOMC meeting, the FOMC statement. So these three red folders are essential to get that kick that we need. Okay? Now, the numbers don't come out great. If we don't get the basis points that we want, then obviously it isn't going to be too good, right? So let me just show you real quick what I don't know if it shows it here, but I'm trying to show you guys that the red folders mean this, and not showing it. Okay, I don't know how I pulled it up before. I just know that red folders mean high impact, orange folders mean you know, medium impact, and then yellow folders are really no biggie, you know. So let's go ahead and take a look at the crypto market today. All right, refresh this real quick. We are at 1.04 trillion. Like I said, a lot of people are the market's just waiting for that announcement today at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Okay, and so you know, we got Ethereum sitting at 1574, Bitcoin at 23,000. You know, ranging, guys. We're just ranging. BNB back down to 307. Cardano sitting at 38 cents. Dogecoin sitting at 9 cents, 0.1. Matic at $1.09. Solana at 23.48. Litecoin at 95 bucks. I think we're up $2 from yesterday, so almost 10% for the week. Shiba Inu 11.59, 4 zeros 11.59, and we have Chronos sitting at 7 cents, 0.777, right? So, or double seven, almost 777. Everything's just ranging, guys, just ranging. You know what I mean? Matter of fact, let me go ahead and pull this up real quick. Ooh, nice. Gold is freaking melting. Damn, missed out on that. All right. So we have Ethereum sitting at yeah, pretty much at 1573, and we're just ranging, all right, ranging between here, looking for that announcement, waiting for that push to happen. Okay, the general idea would be to you know, leave support here, and this is what we want to look for, you know. That push up, okay? That's what we want. So, Once we can get that push that we need, the next level of resistance that we're seeing right here is right here. And then after that, we might have some resistance over here, but for the general idea, what we're looking for is to come up to these levels up here. I want to say if everything goes well, we could reach anywhere from 25 to 27 to 30. We'll make our way because this is the monthly, so obviously it's going to take some time, right? But general idea is, guys, we're going to push up, and if the numbers that we want come out good, we'll break out of this range, break out of this resistance right here, and continue pushing up, guys. All right, y'all. So very exciting today. This is what we've been waiting for. Finally, I hope that as long as the numbers come out great, even for me for trading, month of January has been rough, and so I'm definitely waiting for the markets to get better and get things back to normal. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and take a look at Twitter right now. I just seen a tweet from this morning from Batoshi at 35 minutes ago. Good morning. A lot of fire and vote incoming. All right. That only has me thinking that, if the numbers come out good, and I say if, guys, because we don't know. But if the numbers come out good, I don't know. What, is he gonna drop something on us today? That would be amazing. What do you guys think? Comment down below before 2 p.m. If you watch this before 2 p.m., comment down below what you think might be happening today. If you think the numbers are gonna come out good, if you understand what that is, the basis points, what the Fed meeting's about inflation, guys. Okay, and what you think Batoshi means in this tweet right here, man. A lot of fire and vote incoming with the eyes. Could he be releasing VoltiFlex today? Could he be? I mean, I don't know, man. Could we be getting a listing? Is he? I don't know, man. What is happening? What do y'all think is happening? This man be stressing me out, man. He be stressing me out because, I'm pumped. I'm pumped. I feel like month of February is gonna be perfect. Not perfect. I get hyped, man. But I feel like month of February is gonna be very good. And as long as we get this, I'm hoping that we get 25 basis points at least. You know what I mean? Because that's what we need. You know what I mean? To give us some room to kind of make some money in the markets and put some relief off that. You know what I mean? So, guys, if you're new to Volt, I do have to say that please tap into the Twitter page, Volt Inu Twitter page official, Volt Inu official. All right, follow, tweet, like, get active in this community. Tons of information like this tweet. You know what I mean? Very important information that you can find out here. Also, what I was talking about, VoltiFlex, vote to burn and soon vote to earn. All right, well, it's a staking platform on VoltiChange, and VoltiChange is where you can go ahead and purchase crypto under the ERC and BSC network. Okay, take advantage of burning the supply for the crypto you're looking to invest. Why not help burn that supply at the same time that you're purchasing and trying to invest into something, right? And the staking platform is also going to give you rewards and reflections and income and all that. We get reflections of Volt. Now, the cherry on top would be the staking, right? You're already holding it. Why not get paid to hold something that you're willing to hold for a year and longer? I'm willing to hold it till I get to where I want to be at. And so, guys, dollar cost average, I can't stress that enough right now. This is very critical. It's very critical that you dollar cost average while we are in these levels right now, because once this news comes out today and the numbers come out good, we start getting that pump, the chances of us coming back to these levels are minimal. I always say that in my videos. It's minimal. So please Not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest. I'm just telling you what I would do and what I'm doing. Okay? So this is a great time right now to start, getting into investments. I believe, my opinion, so guys, we are, I guess, 9 hours ago, 70 projects have integrated the VoltiChange widget to their website. Shout out to the Great Buy Wall. Welcome, guys. Check them out. They have added VoltiChange to their website so their community can start purchasing their coins on their website and help burn that supply, guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and read what they're about. So V1 website is now live. VoltiChange widget is live. Website is chinaerc20.42web.io. Telegram is t. Well, y'all read that, right? Let's see right here. What is this? Welcome to China, the Great Buy Wall. Stealth launched on January 30th, 2023 with only one initiative, and that is to build the greatest buy wall crypto has ever seen. To help us accomplish this task at hand, some chads and a unique utility will be pushing this chart to historic levels. If you are skeptical, that is fine. Once traders realize what is going on with the chart, hint, check the amount burned on transactions and see if you can catch our utility. The buy wall will begin to form. The longer the buy wall, the greater the reward to holders. Hope to see you all at the top when we break records. The Great Buy Wall tax. 10 out of 10 on buys and sells. 5% incinerator buybacks. 100% of tokens reverse, minted off the blockchain. 2% true burn on buys and sells. 3% marketing and development. And 0 tax on transfers. Alright, guys. So that's what? 5, 8, 10. Yeah. 10%. So 10% on buys and 10% on sells. So, alright, yeah. That's pretty cool. I guess I'll be checking that chart out. You know what I mean? Matter of fact, why don't we go ahead and do that? Let's see if I can find them real quick. China. Darn, let me see. Hold on. Oops. The Great Buy Wall. Sorry, guys. Just trying to see if I could find their token address. Well, anyways, do your own research. If you're, if this is something that you want to look into, check it out. Yeah, China's the name, so I wonder why I can't find it. Is it this? 4 months ago? No, it can't be it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna try to find it, and maybe next time I'll talk about it. If I remember, I'll make note of it. Okay, so check it out, guys. The Great Buy Wall. Is that what their name is? The Great? Nah, that'd be too much, isn't it? Golly, I wish I knew how to find them right now. China. Yeah. All right. Well, anyways, that's pretty dope. All right. Shout out to them. Ben Crypto. All right. VoltiChange. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that up for y'all real quick. Guys, this is what VoltiChange. Oh my God, my dang internet. There we go. All right, this is what VoltiChange looks like, guys. Okay, ETH and BSC. Okay, Volt can also be traded on 79 centralized exchanges. Let's see the dashboard. You connect your wallet. You can see how much reflections you've been getting, the buybacks, the burns and buybacks that have occurred. Remember, at an all-time high, we are. Satoshi is doing a $1 million burn once we reach the all-time high. Okay, and this is VoltiChange, guys. If you're new, if you don't know where to purchase Volt, this is where you go. You connect your wallet. You can do it on your phone as well from Trust Wallet, MetaMask. Okay, go to the browser. Obviously, it's just like Uniswap, similar. Wow. All right. So, guys, if you don't know, now you know. First here, I'm sure this. I mean, I don't know. This was not here yesterday when I did my video, but Lynx is now integrated with VoltiChange. Shout out to Worldwide Crypto and the team. Man, salute. You guys actually did it. So the guys, what I'm excited about is that this right here keeps track. You can keep track of all your coins that you have. Let's say you have multiple wallets, right? You can now keep track of your what it's doing, if it's up in profits, if it's down in profits, what the dollar cost average is. Lynx, okay? All it does is you take the Ethereum receive address and you enter it in here, and it'll just take the data. It's not linking the wallet. It's just taking the data that's in your wallet, and you can keep track of multiple wallets at once. Very, very awesome. I believe it's huge. Let me tell you something. It really helps. Instead of me trying to log into MetaMask, into Trust Wallet, MetaMask for me takes forever to log into. And comment down below if you guys have that same problem. I don't know if it's just my phone or if it's just MetaMask, but you can use the links and check on all your cryptos at once. If you have multiple wallets, instead of logging into those wallets every single time to see what it's doing, you use links and you can check it all at once. Now it's integrated with VoltiChange, meaning there's going to be something huge going on. I did do a live with Worldwide Crypto. I believe he's on the, well, not I believe, he's on the team, the Lynx team, and he did tell me that, Lynx, there's a lot of big things coming, especially in the metaverse. So you would be able to use your links and instead of always trying to connect your wallets to see how much you have, you could do it from links. It'll tell you how much you got and be able to make purchases on metaverse. Check the live out. Go to Worldwide Crypto on YouTube. Check him out. You will see what he said. It was some latest news actually. So check it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and get off this and check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and go on VoltiChange and log into my links and see what all we can do on here and what it's about. So I'm very excited for that, guys. Check it out, okay? I'm glad I checked this. Normally I probably wouldn't have, but guys, I've already made my purchases, so I didn't even see this yesterday. That's crazy, man. So this is something new. Maybe this is what he's talking about. Maybe this is part of the tweet Batoshi's saying. Fire, guys. This is so fire. So up here is the trending bar. These are the top coins that are burning the most. So obviously, number one, vote. Okay, guys. Yeah. So check it out, man. Come to VoltiChange.net. If you're gonna purchase Volt, purchase it on VoltiChange. Help burn that supply. You can purchase Shiba. You enter token address, token name, and then you got presets right here, guys. Pretty freaking cool, man. Please use that. Like I said right here, all-time high, guys. Once we reach all-time high, we're gonna have $1 million burn. Very exciting. Right now, guys, if you're like, oh man, Volt ain't going nowhere. I got this one dude that keeps commenting on why do I keep doing videos on Volt? That Volt is not going anywhere. Man, a lot of cryptos right now are doing the same thing. Okay, a lot of cryptos are in the same position. We're all waiting on that news. We are, the economy is starting to correct itself. Okay, so guys, stay tuned for more. All right, guys. If you're curious to know what's going on, shout out to Bleed, shout out to King Ozzy, shout out to Crypto Latina, shout out to Ladybug, shout out to DJ Legends, shout out to Ian, shout out to Gilbert, shout out to everybody that's part of the Volt Army, Space Chick Crypto, Young Snack, all of you guys. Shout out to y'all for spreading the word on Volt. Guys, you can come on here and you can always see what's going on with Volt. We got giveaways always going on, lives always going on. Don't miss out on anything that's important that could be beneficial to you. And tap into the FOMC at 2 o'clock Eastern time. I don't know what it is where you live, but check it out because that will give you the general idea of what's going to happen next. Like I said, if we get to 25 basis points, best believe we're going to see a reaction. We're going to see a reaction regardless, but the 25 basis points is a positive reaction. So that's all I have for y'all today. Stay voltage, stay safe, stay flex. I will be doing a video tomorrow morning for sure. and give you the rest of the info and the news that y'all need. Any questions you guys have, please comment down below. I do respond. I am active in my comments. All right, I do read all of them. So with that said, y'all, peace.